Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a very beautiful and simple plazzo bottom design. I'll be using loops and beads to design the plazzo. So let's get started. First of all, you need to cut your trouser or plazzo, whatever it is, as you normally do. So I have cut my trouser according to my measurements, as you can see here, and to this side of the trouser where we make the side seam, we'll mark at 2 inches or 2.5 inch and make a slope like this, so it will give a very nice shape to the bottom of your trouser. And then we'll cut here, and after cutting the bottom in this shape, we'll stitch the side seam. After stitching the side seam, when we'll open it, our trouser is in this shape. Now we'll mark a line at 1/2 inch, and that will be the line where we'll make the stitch line when we'll attach the loops. And for that I've made piping in contrast colors, these two. Then hold the contrast colored piping side by side like this and fold them in the shape of a loop like this, and place on your trouser with the raw edges facing outwards to check for the length of the piping you want for each loop. So we'll cut contrast colored pipings in this length. So I've made pieces according to that length, and now we'll make loops and attach them to our trouser. This is the reference line where we'll make the stitch line when we'll attach the loops, right? So we'll take 2 contrast colored pipings like this, fold them and place them on our trouser with raw edges facing outwards and the loop shape facing inwards, and stitch on it. And stitch line should be on the line we made first, right? Simply take other 2 contrast colored pipings we cut and fold to make the loop, and the rough side of piping should be facing upwards and the fine side should be facing downwards, right? In this way, when we'll finish the bottom, the fine side will come outwards. So keep on making the loops and attach them side by side. You may also attach the loops with some distance at equal intervals, but I am attaching them side by side, as you can see here. It's very easy. We'll repeat the same process until we attach all the loops on the bottom of our trouser. So I've attached all the loops, as you can see here. Now we'll take a strip of fabric, place it under the trouser and cut it in the same shape as the bottom of our trouser is, like this. Then place the strip on the right side of the trouser here on the loops and make a stitch line. And while making the stitch line, place the wrong side of the trouser in front of you so you can see the previous stitch line and you can easily make the stitch line on it, right? So I have made the stitch line, attach the strip at the bottom, make a few notches then, and fold the strip towards the wrong side now, so the loops will come outwards. They're looking very nice. Make a stitch line at the bottom. I've top stitched here, as you can see. It's looking very nice now. Now finish the strip on the wrong side. You can simply fold the strip and hand stitch, or you can trim it in this shape and then fold like this and then hand stitch. So it's up to you. Now I'll hand stitch to fix the strip in place. So I finished this strip on the wrong side, and on the right side it's looking very neat. Now we'll attach beads on these loops And for that I have chosen these golden colored beads, and to attach them in our loops we'll take needle and thread, tie a knot at one end, insert the needle from the wrong side, insert the bead in, and pass the needle from the inner loop and make a knot on the wrong side at the bottom again here. It's good to make a knot after attaching every bead, right? And then pass the needle from the next loop and repeat the same process. So the beads are looking very nice here. We'll attach beads in all the loops using the same method. So I've attached all the beads in all the loops and our design is complete. Now we'll simply fold the trouser to stitch the inner seam and our design is done. So I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification on every new upload. Thank you so much for watching.